Got everything laid out that's in the box on the table here. You've definitely got that 1080p camera with the antenna to go on the end of it there. You also have the screen here, and we came from the older version, not the BT7, the MC7109. So it wasn't touch version, so this will be really great. Everything is intricate in here where you can, go in here, program everything with the touch screen, which will be awesome. Comes with two antennas for that unit. The cool thing about this unit as well is it's got two different ways to power it. You can power it through a universal 12 volt barrel plug, or they also give you this USB version, which will make everything really, really awesome when we're going to pair everything up, and you'll get to see that here in a little bit. But I love getting to use USB-C if we don't have to use this, especially for our RAM pickup, because we've got a cool integrated system there with our Bullet Point Industries mounting system, which we'll show you once we get this all hooked up. So the other things you're going to see here are our tire pressure monitoring sensors here. They all come with batteries here for us to put into the sensors, the different hardware and components to install the sensors. You also have mounting options here for the screen, seal also for the camera. I do like this unit here. This is the direct plug and play, so if you have a Furrion system stock factory on your trailer, then you'll be able to just pop right into this. So this will make that super convenient, not having to do any wiring. If you're having to do wiring, comes with an auxiliary set there as well. And then, as you can see here, these are the signal boosters that come with this. These come with alligator clips, and so the idea is that for the tire pressure monitoring to kind of get a little bit of a boost from the wheels to the monitor, they come with two of these. So I'm assuming if you had a much longer rig, you would want to use two of these. We're thinking we're going to be able to get away with one. I'm not sure we're going to use these alligator clips. I think we're just going to hardwire into our battery system, and we'll take you along with that as well. But that pretty much showcases everything here in the box.